वर्ल्ड वेटरनरी डे के मौके पर तेलंगाना स्टेट एनिमल हस्बेंड्री की जॉइंट डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर CH मल्लेश्वरी ने बताया कि हर साल अप्रैल के आखिरी हफ्ते में यानी 30 अप्रैल को वर्ल्ड वेटरनरी डे मनाया जाता है ताकि आम लोगों को भी जानवरों से मुताल्लिक़ मालूमात हासिल हो सके। मज़ीद इन्होंने बताया कि लोगों में शऊर बेदारी और जानवरों के डॉक्टर्स की अहमियत भी मालूम हो रही है।
World Veterinary Day is celebrated on the last Saturday of April every year. This year, Veterinarian Day 2022 will be on April 30th. The World Veterinary Association and Health for Animals are proud to announce the 2022 World Veterinarian Day theme is Strengthening of Veterinary Resilience. With the rise of awareness of animal health, people are slowly learning the importance of veterinary doctors and all kind of impact they create, making our world better place. The 2022 World Veterinarian Day will celebrate efforts from veterinarians, veterinary associations and other to strengthen veterinary resilience and bring attention to this important cause. Veterinarians are aware through that this burden can be physically taxing, stress, burnout and other health issues have risen to recent years. Particularly during the pandemic, veterinarians much like thinking about patients need proper tools and support to maintain their personal health and wellness. Healthy animals requires healthy advocates. Resilient veterinarians are better equipped to handle the daily challenges and crises that may occur in their practices. Happy World Veterinarian to all the veterinarians.